Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday the 12th of February. Looking at cable, which looks to be engaging in a bit of a recovery. I just spoke earlier about Eurodollar, the fact that Eurodollar was starting to form a bit of a low. Cable is a bit more advanced in that recovery potential, and you've seen two positive sessions in a row, edging towards a third, 15 pips up on the day. But it's interesting that the RSI, well, certainly the momentum indicators on the on cable are far less negative than they were on Eurodollar, and that holding above that 40 level on RSI. MACD lines, are they starting to bottom out? Stochastics already starting to cross higher. Three positive candles in a row would certainly start to hint at recovery potential. You can see here on the hourly chart where I've drawn in the reaction lines of the old lows of January. They become resistance, and we're starting to edge through those resistance levels, and sort of holding fairly consistently 29.60 area. Above 29.40 would be important, but look at this potential head and shoulders reversal pattern. I think if you start to gain traction above 29.60, that is a head and shoulders reversal on the hourly chart, and you could measure an implied target of around about 90 pips or so up towards 130.50, and then you start to bring into the realms of this reaction high here from mid last week at 130.70. So a move above 130 big figure is also a key moment back on a psychological level, but also you've got the 38.2% fib level at 130.10 to consider. So there's a fair amount of resistance to get through in a recovery, but if sterling can start to build a little bit more momentum of this recovery, and stochastics confirming a bit of a bull cross, if that were to be the case. Last time we saw one of those was late December, when we saw the accelerating run higher. It'll be very interesting to see how the market responds to that, because I think there's certainly the potential for this to start to regain momentum in a recovery scenario. On a medium-term basis, I sort of turned less bullish, shall we just say that, on the breach of 129.50 and 129 figure. However, not turning bearish. I'm sort of more of a neutral player here. I think that this is going to turn into a bit of a range play whilst the whole coronavirus issue gets resolved, and also how the uncertainties surrounding how Brexit also play out. So I think that generally speaking, I think cable is going to turn into a medium-term range play, and I think that this is just swinging higher within that range. So obviously the key resistance around 32 figure at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.